was the outro of the last video, that is because I had to film it the day after because we crashed. We got home, I had a bath, and died. I went to bed after dinner. So anyway, so now I'm back down at the barn, gotta feed some horses, and this time we're doing another adventure. Stay tuned. We changed the view in here. Just testing out a different side. Also, I'm gonna use the time-lapse feature, so hopefully it works. If I don't include it, it's because it didn't go that well, but you'll see the horses soon. Hopefully that worked. So I just have to get the grain put into the inside horses buckets. Hello, Fergie. Fergie's there. Just looks like I'm petting a ghost. But yeah, so I have to get the grain into the outside horses buckets, and then we'll bring them in. Good boy. Yes, I forgot to mention this special boy. He ate all his groceries yesterday. He ate all his food. Hopefully he does the same thing today. Well, everyone's eating, which means I can update you all a little bit. So, your girl is excited. I got to go hiking yesterday, and today, man Jesse and I are going to go to his family camp. I'm gonna get him to tell you guys exactly how many acres, etc., etc. But we're gonna take the dogs and spend a couple nights at the family camp. So I'm getting like a week of like outdoor stuff. It's just like feeding my soul. Oh my God, hang on, Fergie's.
Are you rolling? Why did you stop rolling? What you alligator? I missed it. There you go.
But yeah, so that means I get like a week of like outdoor stuff to like feed my soul. I'm like such a hipsy. I coined that term myself. It's like hippie and gypsy kind of combined. Anyway, I call myself a hipsy, and I'm getting a hipsy week. I got to ride my horses, I got to go hiking, and now I get to go camping with the dogs. So join us because it's gonna be fun.
Billy? Are you excited to go camping? Oh, the explosion races. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Oh, there's that beastly savage thing. That thing hiked with us all day, had like a power nap, and then went back to normal. And today she's been crazy. Are you excited? He's carving. Oh, I wonder if he'll show us what he's carving while we wait for the horses. Let's go see. Will you show us what you're carving? Will you show us what you're carving? Because the horses are eating and we got nothing to do. This guy is gonna take like forever.
Yeah, so I've been working on him with a chainsaw. I don't know if you can tell what it is, but it's gonna be a dolphin.
There we go. There's his head a little bit from that side.
So I'm
and
starting to work at him.
there.
This wave is going to climb around his body, and it's going to be what's holding his one fin's going to be touching this to keep him still. His side of his face is going to be touching here, and his fins, like it's going to be coming out. So his back fin is just going to be hanging.
Yeah.
And the only thing that's going to be holding him up is this.
I'm going to show them Bernard and Oswald when I get in the house.
Yeah.
So she is sort of licking the buckets, but she always kind of waits for her mom to come and get them. Because red dragon behavior or not, I swear she loves me. I love her. You're a good girl. So this is Bernard the owl. Jesse made him for me for Christmas. And this is Oswald the bear. Please notice the interchanging of letters. O is for owl, O is for Oswald, B is for Bernard, but B is also for bear. They're my little forest family. You ready?
Sure.
He literally started the vlog with "Are you ready?"
Oh, okay. I'm ready.
We're on our way.
We are gonna go camping.
I look like a troll.
No, you
I
look
can't.
like a beautiful lady.
He's petting me, kind of, but also
Doing a
like.
little squeeze.
So, calling all. Ooh, the light is everywhere. That's fine. Calling all YouTube hair people and face people. If y'all could come and help your girl out, that would be great. Because I don't know what I'm doing, and my hair keeps falling in all the directions, and it's not working. So, tell them. Where do I don't even know how to put this. Somebody who can tell me how to put the phone too. That would help. Come help me! Are you embarrassed yet?
I think you're like pretty enough just the way you are.
Oh, look at Fergs! Fergie! Oh, there she is.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to navigate the stair. The stairs. I didn't know how heavy your bag was.
Give me the bag.
Getting out of the truck was the real golden moment. She's so happy. We made it. So it's actually the next morning. It was getting dark. Hello, Fergs. Fergie is, where is she? She is so happy to be at the camp. The dogs love it. So yeah, we're gonna just sort of get settled and get ready and then go for a hike. I'll show you some of the nice places along the way. Jesse's doing the firewood, so I don't have to.
Boyfriend duties.
We might just vlog the whole thing,
Yeah,
facing this way. Hello. So can you please tell the people why you have a gun?
Oh, so this is
Hey,
my, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get you in the frame and you keep walking away.
Give it to me, I'll do it. So this is my grandfather's property. It's pretty secluded. We had to drive 3 hours to get here. No power, no hydro, no cell reception. And it's 300 acres. It's been in this family for a couple generations now. My grandfather passed in 2020, and all the grandchildren are kind of like given 15 acres of the 300 to like build on if they should so desire. We come here once in a while just to stay at the camp, and the problem is some of my family hunt bear here, black bear, which aren't a problem in the winter because they hibernate, but the entire time this property has been in the family, there's cougars that are prowling the area all the time. And this part of Canada is on the edge of what's called the Canadian Shield. And geographically, it's a lot of like high rock ledges that are like 10 or 20 feet tall. I'll turn around and show you, like this behind me. There are also like rock ledges covered in snow. And there's nothing big cats in Canada would love more than to jump down on top of prey. So we've seen lots of tracks and scat and stuff like that around. So whenever we decide to go for a hike around here, we usually bring a long gun just in case something like that pops out, in case we need to scare it off or something. And that's
We also wear pink fuzzy things.
yeah, to wave them away.
Get rid of them.
Yeah. So, because it'll be a short vlog experience if Jess gets eaten by a cougar.
And it'll be edited by you.
Yeah, sad though.
Sad.
Sad edits.
All the sad music.
Yeah.
Yeah, he'd use everything. He would definitely miss me.
Well, I mean, for at least 48 hours.
He said for at least 48 hours, the entire time we've been dating. I feel like I should have upgraded by now.
I just mourn you harder in that time.
Oh. But then it's move on. So ladies, if you're into this,
What? Just keep an eye on the obituaries.
yeah, keep an eye. 48 hours after you see that.
Open season.
Open fair
On Man
game.
Jesse.
On Man Jesse. So I just switched using Jesse's phone because mine died because of the cold. And I'm seeing like his is so much nicer than mine. Vote if we should upgrade my phone, guys. Jeez Louises. Holy moly. You're having so much fun. So much fun. Okay, so we just switched to Jesse's phone because mine died. And look at the quality difference. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
See the running noses because it's so cold.
The
Okay.
rosy cheeks,
Yeah, these-
all my flaws,
Yeah, those deep pores.
all the flaws.
Yeah.
We're being realistic here, folks.
Put a filter on it after.
No, we're realism.
Oh.
There's gonna be
What?
nothing. I actually don't know how to put filters on with my videos. I think I can edit the colors.
I don't think they care.
They're like, oh, this chick there, she's not airbrushed, because no airbrushing could help this.
Please be careful.
I'm all excited now that I have his phone and like this high quality. Just like, dang. And I've tripped a couple times.
Yeah.
I can't believe how nice the quality is. Maybe I'm just like, because I'm not wearing my glasses, and maybe because your phone is bigger than mine, I just think the bigger screen makes it nicer. Whew. Well, we'll find out when it's on the computer, won't we, dearest? I'm obsessed with Bridgerton right now. Obsessed. So I'm gonna start calling him like, Your Grace, sir. I don't know what else he would be. Woo! The tree surprised me. I wasn't paying attention. Hold on, can you do that face for the vlogs again?
I don't know what face I gave you.
I went, woo! And you were like, ugh. Doesn't he have the nicest blue eyes, though?
You know, my eyes are wide all the time because I don't ever turn around because you've screamed or tripped, and I'm like, what the going on now? Little bunny rabbit. I go hip hopping, hippity hop hop, all around town.
We will be taking offers from whatever outdoor network would like us. Yeah. Forget the horses.
This came down across it. Huh. Yeah, we'll have to go around.
Okay, well, I'm in the middle of taking offers from networks for our outdoor prowess.
Why would they? What? Nobody watches TV anymore. It's Netflix or Amazon Prime. Get with it. We need a network deal is what we need.
Yeah, for YouTube. Mm-hmm. I'm totally kidding. The horses are my life. Just saying.
I'm totally kidding. The horses are my life.
It's so pretty. I like sun. The sunshine is basically my life. Do those not look like they could be bear paw? Like, it looks like we're tracking a bear.
Just a Bailey. So this is just like 3 or 4 giant boulders, right? And it goes about 50 feet tall. And that's, so geographically, I was talking earlier about the Canadian Shield. So that's like it's cougar territory because that's a preferred environment because they can just look down on things that are walking across and just pounce upon it.
Nice little opening. So last time we did cross there, but today it's just a little too gunky for the dogs to get covered and be cold and wet and covered and all that stuff to go back to the camp with, so.
What are you doing? Hey, Bailey. What are you doing? I love you.
We got back. We didn't get eaten. Sorry, ladies. He's not on the market yet.
So I'm gonna go start a fire. The propane's hooked up, so we're gonna work the stove, and
he's going to make dinner.
Yes,
and I am
breakfast
not.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, he's making breakfast. I'll show you guys. We got back. We had a nice walk. The dogs had a fantastic time.
I had fun too.
See you soon.
So yummy. With the flash and the lighting, it doesn't look so yummy, but it is so yummy. So what time is it? It's 7:55. We woke up a little while ago. The dogs got their breakfast, and now they're watching Jesse make my hot chocolate first, and then he's gonna make our breakfast. Oh, look at this cute little yellow ting here. She was so nuggly last night.
Kettle going while she sits and drinks hot chocolate.
And pets my puppy. Oh God, don't come too close.
Bacon, cheddar, muffins, eggs, butter, coffee.
She's like licking her lips already.
She's like, I know what's coming.
Is he making us breakfast? Really yummy breakfast.
Oh my God, does this not look like the most yummiest thing on planet Earth? Fergie in the background licking her lips though.
Fergie, is it yummy? You can't have it, don't worry. Maybe a bit at the end.
I would like it noted that these sandwiches are not for Jesse and I.
These are not fit for human consumption.
These are our gremlin hobbits. That one and that one. Second breakfast.
What the hell was that?
I don't know.
No. Nowhere in the Lord of the Rings does anybody sound like that. Do you guys want second breakfast?
I did that.
All right, sit. Wait. Paw. Paw. Come on. Good. Wait. Paw. Fergie, speak. 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 Good girl. Bailey, speak. Speak. Okay. All right.
Gorgeous sunny day. So I kind of lost Man Jesse. I have no idea where he is, but we'll go find him. You're a good boy. Hi. Hello. Hi. Where you been? So she came from that direction. Follow the dog. Really? Follow the dog. It's a 3-hour drive home, and this star of a human, this hero of a man, got me Tim Hortons chicken noodle soup. And I already ate the bun, so that's what's up. Hello, everyone. You'll notice I don't look quite so gremlin-y. This is because this is a couple days after we got back from camping. When we got back, it was freezing. We had to unload the SUV, get the dogs taken care of. Oh, look, there's one. Get the dogs taken care of, yada, yada, yada. And then I was like, kind of a hobbit. Not a hobbit. I was kind of a hermit for a few days. I just like hid in the blankets. But I knew I had to do this outro and just say thank you so much for watching. We had so much fun. I hope you liked our little quip and quarrely banter. We didn't realize how much we did that until we watched the videos, and I was like, oh my god, there's so much I didn't even include. So anyway, I hope you guys had fun. We're gonna be back to horses next time, so stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe. That's the first time I said that. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
You had your Oreos that you love, and before I went to bed last night, you were like, babe, make sure you seal them as tight as you can.
So you sealed the things I told you to seal.
100%. Yeah. You know what I didn't seal?
Your
My last Oreo cookie.
The mouse came for
The
it.
mouse advantage. I deserve it.